Hi guys, today we're going to be making a rock, paper, scissors game in Python. So this is a pretty simple game and it just deals with random numbers in while and if loops. So let's get started. So our first step is to import a random module to pick the computer's choice. Only for the computer. Enter. And now we want to assign a variable to a random number. So we're going to call this variable computer choice and equals to we're gonna make this a list and rock, paper, scissors, and I'll leave that. So what we want to do is random dot choice, computer choice, and I'll pick a random value from here. So just to test it, let's print and actually we're gonna assign a variable here. So let's just call this rock, paper, scissors underscore computer, and let's print that variable that we just created just to test to make sure it's working and seeing what's happening. So now the computer is picking a random, let's make that bigger. It is going to be picking a random value every single time. Scissors, paper, scissors, rock. So now we got the first part down where the computer takes a random value, and we can take this out. Now what we want to do is have the player guess. So we're going to name this player guess, and we're going to call this a string input, which is string parentheses input parentheses. And inside the input parentheses, let's write this is a rock, paper, scissors game. Scissors game, input your choice. Cool. So once they have that, we're gonna write an if statement that says if we're gonna do the if statements for the winning and losing. So we're gonna start off with a while, and we're gonna say while RPS computer is equal to player guess colon print it is a tie, go again. And then we want to do another input for the player. String input, this time nothing written inside. And then you also want to do copy this. You just need to write one line of code, so there's no need to copy it. RPS underscore computer equals to random dot choice computer choice. So what this will do is it will print it's a tie, take the input from the user, and then take another random choice from the computer. Now what we're going to do is, what I forgot to do is, we want to print the computer choice right after the player guesses. So print RBS underscore computer. So now we have this, and another thing that I want to say is another way to do that would have been to pick a computer choice, would have been getting a random number and then changing that to rock, paper, or scissors, but that would have taken much more code. This is much simpler. So once you do that, now you want to do the if statements. Wait, sorry. I'm going to print RPS computer. Now we're going to do the if statements for winning or losing. So we're going to start with an if RPS computer. Sorry, that should be in parentheses. RPS computer is equal to rock and player guess is equal to scissors print you lost. So we're going to do all the losing conditions first, and then we'll do the winning conditions for the player. Elif RBS computer equals to scissors and player guess what loses against scissors is paper, colon, print, you lost. Final losing statement is elif, and one thing that I did wrong, that should be R, sorry. Elif RPS computer equals to, well, something happened here, so fix that. RPS, sorry for that. Anyway, RPS computer equals to the last one is paper and player guess is equal to rock loses against paper, forgot that for a sec, print you lost. Now we're going to do the statements for if the player wins. So we're going to do the same thing, same format. RPS computer equals to ROCK, and this time player guess equals to paper print you won, and then two more of those. Elif RPS computer equals to scissors and player guess equals to rock print you won. Elif RPS computer equals to paper and player guess equals to scissors beats paper, scissors, print one. Okay, so let's just see what happens. If there's any errors. So input your choice, rock. There is an error. Oh, I wrote RBS one place. Where is that? Right here. It should be PS. I don't know why I keep on writing B, but that should be P. No, let's run it, see what happens. Rock hits a tie, go again. Tie, go again, rock, paper, you lost. So now we know the tie concept works. Now let's try getting a win and a loss. Rock, loss works. Try scissors this time. Scissors, tie, paper, scissors, you lost. Try getting a win just to make sure it works. Paper, rock, you won. So now this is the game, and we saw getting a tie, how that works, how getting a loss works, and how getting scissors work. And just to clarify one thing, the tie, it'll keep on going until it's not a tie anymore. So a quick recap of how we built the game, just in case you didn't understand very clearly. We started by importing the random module. Then you assigned a list to computer choice. Then you picked a random choice out of that list, and then you asked the player for an input. You then printed the computer choice that was taken out of the list, and then we made a while loop that said while RPS computer equals the player guess. So while the computer guess equals to the player guess, it's a tie, go again. Then you went and got another input, and you got another choice from the list. You print it again. So basically you're doing the same thing here and here. So then you just did the if conditions for winning and losing. There should be 6, 3 for losing, 3 for winning. So that's our program. I'm gonna run it one more time just to show you. Rock, paper, you lost. Paper, rock, you won. Paper, you won. Okay, so that's gonna be our program for today. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye bye.